Don't pop it up. Just keep letting it out like that. Slow. Like,
you'll feel it. It'll start to flow.
Look at you. Too fast, too fast, too fast, too fast.
No.
Slow it down. God damn it. I'm sorry.
You okay?
I'm okay. Don't
You alright, Mom?
Oh, crap.
I got a video.
Are you guys okay?
I'm okay. I am okay. I am okay.
Oh, crap.
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Alright.
Shirley, don't be.
Everybody's okay. We're okay.
Everything's good.
Everything's okay.
No,
No broken ass?
Shirley, stop. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Is your ass broken?
Shirley, I am fine.
Okay.
Are you okay, Shirley?
Yeah, I mean,
fine. We're just
ask
scared.
Leslie, I fell off the bench here and I crawled around here trying to get my ass up off the ground.
Yeah, but I didn't do it.
Oh, don't be silly.
Alright,
Oh man,
The only
this
thing
should
is,
get you
I have to
$10,000
get
for
up
these home
myself.
videos. Nobody was
It will.
injured.
I had to get up myself.
Nobody's videotaping here.
You broke the
Can somebody get my mother off the ground?
I'll get up. I have to get up myself.
No, we're not gonna. No, we'll help you up, Mom.
Okay, somebody can help me now.
All right. Oh, Mom, you got.
Get the wheelchair.
No, I got it. This other side, the other side, this side.
Yeah.
Shirley ran my mother over.
Don't make me laugh, then I can't.
Who's peeing their pants now?
Okay, I'm up.
The whole time you're bending down and behind going.